Let's see. A couple minutes early, but we're okay. All the lights are out. I told them 3 o'clock. You know. Flashlight. Uh-oh.
Is it?
24-hour plumber at your service.
Huh?
Well, you said 3 o'clock. I'm right here at 3 o'clock. 24 hours plumbing.
No. Afternoon, not morning. It's 3 in the morning.
Well, you know, it's gonna be fast. I'll be really quiet. I'll come and look. I'm booked up tomorrow. I won't be able to get here. I'll be really fast. I'll come right in. I'll look at it. What's your,
Okay.
what, you know, plumbing, the toilet's no problem.
Okay, but just be quiet. Everyone's asleep. Shh. This is the bathroom over here. Well, here it is right here. It just quit working. I don't know what the deal is. Won't flush.
Okay, we'll have it fixed in a jiffy.
Okay, but let's keep it down. Everyone's asleep. Okay, shh. Perfect.
Oops. Here now. Get this going. Come on. We'll get it out now. We can't get it.
What's going on in there? Are you okay? What's going on in there?
Hold on a minute. Yeah?
Whoa! What? Wait! Whoa! What's going on?
Everything's fine. Everything's fine. We almost got it. Almost got it out.
Okay. Shh. Keep it down. It's like a bomb going off in there or something.
I'm trying to get it out.
What's going on in there?
Come on. We're getting it now. It's coming out now. We're getting it. Oh boy, it's a big one. Come out of there. This is the worst one I've ever done. Come on. It's coming out now. It's a big one. Come on out. Woo! I got it! It's a big one!
Oh my word! What in the world? What is going on?
I got it out. I fixed it.
Oh! Holy crap! You ruined my bathroom!
Oh, it's all handled. I got it fixed. Been doing
What is that?
Been doing some reading while you're sitting on the toilet. Yeah, this was stuck in the toilet. It took me forever. And look, the CD's still in the back.
Oh.
Yeah.
So. Oh.
This was down
Oh
inside
my
there.
word. What?
Now watch this. Watch. Here we go.
Oh, I can't even get close to it.
Huh? Huh? It's fixed.
I don't know if I should pay you though. Look at my walls.
Oh, this will clean off. This is all good.
Oh.
Oh, what's this? What is this? Somebody didn't eat their corn.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, somebody's a diabetic in this family.
Oh, too much information. Too
Yeah, I'm
much.
hungry.
Oh.
Oh, my
Oh.
lunchtime now.
Oh man. What am I gonna do with all this now?
I don't know.
Oh. Hey man, you get back here and clean up this mess. I can't have it like this.
Well, this is where, I'm not a maid. This is where the work stops. The toilet works.
Hey, no.
Hold on.
No.
Look, you got $100 because I got to get paid, right?
Oh, no.
$100 to get here. Let's see. I
Oh.
need $450. That's what I need
No.
to get this done.
I can't deal with that.
Oh,
That's
man.
I mean, look at that. That is just. How do you explain something like that?
I've seen worse.
You've eaten worse.
Well, it's not that bad.
Oh.
I'll have to.
Well, you know what? Don't worry about it. I'll give you a referral. That's for sure. I'll tell all my friends about you.
All right, thanks. All right, yeah. So I'll come back in and you can write me a check for $450.
Oh.
Thank you for your business.